Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to check your medical insurance status using your Emirates ID. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to the official health authority website for your emirate. For example, Dubai residents can use the Dubai Health Authority website, and Abu Dhabi residents can use the Department of Health or Daman website. Once the page loads, look for an option that says Check Insurance Status or Insurance Card Verification. Click on it. You will see a field where you need to enter your Emirates ID number. Type the number carefully and make sure there are no mistakes. After that, click on Submit or Search. In a few seconds, your medical insurance details will appear on the screen. You can see if your insurance is active, the policy number, the expiry date, and sometimes the name of the insurance company and coverage type. If you are unable to find your insurance details online, contact your insurance company's customer service. Provide your Emirates ID number and ask them to confirm your medical insurance status. Thanks for watching.